Hello and welcome back to another lesson. In today's video, you will learn parts of a house in Swahili. So to begin with, we'll start with pa, 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 a, pa. Pa means a roof. Pa, a roof. Dirisha, dirisha. Dirisha means a window. Dirisha, a window. Ukuta, ukuta. Ukuta means a wall. Ukuta. Mlango, mlango. Mlango means a door. Mlango. Kizingiti, kizingiti. Kizingiti means a door sill or a threshold. Kizingiti, kizingiti. So here we have pa, pa, which means a roof. Dirisha, dirisha, a window. Ukuta, ukuta, a wall. Mlango, mlango. Mlango means a door. And kizingiti, kizingiti, a door sill or a threshold. Kitasa cha mlango. Kitasa cha mlango. It means a doorknob. This one. Or you can say kitasa in short. Kitasa cha mlango or kitasa in short. Hii ni nguzo. Hii ni nguzo. This is a pillar. This is a pillar. Nguzo, a pillar. Nguzo, nguzo. Uwanja, uwanja. Uwanja means a yard. So it can be uwanja wa mbele, the front yard, or uwanja wa nyuma, the backyard. Uwanja, the yard. Uwanja wa mbele, front yard, and uwanja wa nyuma, the backyard. Mkingo wa maji. This one. Mkingo wa maji. Mkingo wa maji, it means water drainage. These things that collect the rainwater from the roof, it's called mkingo wa maji. Mkingo wa maji. Mkingo wa maji. The next one is jiko. Jiko. Jiko means a kitchen. Jiko. Jiko, a kitchen. If you want to learn the names of kitchen tools in Swahili, you can check out this video linked in the cards. Jiko, kitchen. Chumba cha kulia. Chumba cha kulia. It means a dining room. Chumba cha kulia, a dining room. Huu ni ukumbi. This is a living room. Ukumbi. Ukumbi. Ukumbi means a living room. Ukumbi. And this is a bedroom. Hichi ni chumba. This is a bedroom. Chumba. 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 The word chumba means a room. It can be any kind of room, but colloquially, we use chumba to mean a bedroom. So when you say chumba, everyone understands it's a bedroom. Chumba means a bedroom. So you don't have to clarify that this is a room for sleeping. You can just say chumba. Everyone will understand that this is a bedroom. Unlike the dining room where you have to specify that this is the room where people eat. Chumba cha kulia, a dining room. Chumba, bedroom. Chumba, bedroom. Choo. Choo. Choo means a bathroom. Choo. Choo means a bathroom. If you find this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe.